Have you ever hit send on a Paysend transfer, then found yourself constantly refreshing your app, wondering why the money hasn't arrived yet? You're not alone. While most Paysend transfers are super fast, often delivered in minutes, sometimes delays can happen. So, what's going on behind the scenes? Let's break down the common reasons your Paysend transfer might be delayed. First and most common, the receiving bank. Even after the money leaves Paysend's system, the recipient's bank has its own process. Some banks are just faster than others. They might have internal security checks or specific processing hours. Transfers to a card or wallet are usually instant, but a bank transfer can take up to 3 business days depending on the destination and the bank itself. That brings us to the next point: weekends and public holidays. Banks don't work 24/7, and neither do most financial systems. If you send a transfer on a Friday afternoon, it might not be processed by the recipient's bank until the next business day, which could be Monday or even Tuesday if there's a holiday. Always check the calendar for both the sending and receiving countries. Another factor is security and verification. Sometimes, a transfer might be flagged for a quick security check, especially if it's a large amount or a new recipient. This is a standard procedure to protect you from fraud. Paysend might even send you an email asking for more information. So, always keep an eye on your inbox. That could be the key to getting your transfer moving again. And finally, the simplest reason: a small typo. An incorrect account number, a misspelled name, or a wrong routing number can cause a transfer to fail or be delayed significantly while the system tries to sort out the error. The bottom line is that while delays are frustrating, they are usually a result of standard banking processes or security measures. If it's been longer than 3 business days and your transfer status hasn't updated, that's when it's time to reach out to Paysend customer support with your transaction ID. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.